improv workshop tonight.
Oh. Oh, I love improv.
I'm glad you could make it. Step right up to a new lesson.
Imagine if every conversation started with connection instead of words. In improv, contact reminds us that the body listens too. It's how empathy becomes visible.
Here's how it works. You can only talk while touching your scene partner, shoulder, elbow, even fingertips. Every time the contact changes, you can speak again. Simple rule, big impact. It forces you to connect first, then communicate. Most of us do the opposite. We talk before we're really tuned in. But when you start with connection, your words actually land. The game may look simple, but it's about empathy. Before we talk, we connect. Before we decide, we listen. That's contact, and it's how great scenes and great relationships begin.
In real life, contact isn't always physical. It's about presence. Before giving feedback, leading a team, or having a tough talk, pause and make contact. See them. Feel where they're at. Then speak, because connection isn't what follows communication. It's what makes it possible.